Why? Recently, a black pupil was being punched by her attackers, and those attackers were being egged on by adults outside the school in Ashford, Kent. We are talking of adults here that were egging on young kids to kick this black girl. Why was she so alone? Why? Plenty of adults were watching. Look at the video. The head teacher is watching. The victim is then left to make her own way home despite her injuries sustained, potential security risk. Who does that? Come on, why? The principal and many adults around showed no urgency in breaking up the fight. No empathy at all toward this black victim. Why? Why is it so slow to get the identities of those adults, the culprits that were egging on these teenagers to cause this victim to break her bones? Why? How will it keep up to date with this case if we don't know the identities of those adults? Why? The BBC, all the other news channels never reported, never talked about it. Recently, we hear of attacks in Ukraine. Someone was attacked in Ukraine, a black reporter, and no stories like that are being published. Why? Okay, if it was the other way around, would this not have caused bigger headlines? I'm just asking, why? Yediticha varipo vachitarisa achikabiwa, ticha varipo vachitarisa, mwanasikana achikabiwa, vanhu vakuru vaivepo vachitarisa, mwana achikabiwa, maticha aripo vachitarisa, ona achikabiwa, dene varivo vakatariswa, chikabiwa, dene kuri kuti ndisu taikavapo, pachikabiwa, hediticha varipo vachitarira, mwana chikabiwa,